Itadakimasu is... Hello!
Kale!
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, Kuya. Kanin baboy special. Sinigang, torta, and of course, the rice. Oh my God. The sinigang of kanin baboy. Oh my God. Tanggap na ng jowa ko na ganun yung mga magiging content namin. Right? So, how was it?
Sauce niyo po.
Lalo na yung sauce niya. Bumili ako niya, inuwi ko dati.
From?
Yeah. Sobrang sarap, diba?
To ano? Jury.
So this is my 4th time in Siargao, but never miss a visit without trying or visiting Kanin Baboy. They're really sarap. Yung sinigang nila may cilantro, may hit ng cilantro. That also makes it stand out sa ibang sinigang. Ano masasabi mo dun sa Kanin Baboy? Special.
It's a mix of everything. Ang sarap nitong string beans, binataan, tapos pork belly, and then the sauce. And also this stew. Sarap niya.
Itong sauce sobrang makaiba.
Kaya kayang itapat sa buo ng Pampanga. Like iba kasi siya.
Pero how about the talong? Is there something special with the talong?
Wala naman, pero wala lang. So comforting. On top of everything. Kasi basically, this is just a plain tortang pala. Apparently, they call it vegan. Pero daw kasi itlog. Hindi pala vegan, vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Pero it has another version with chorizo. So for me, it's a must visit in Siargao. If you are here, don't miss Kanin Baboy. And also, I think meron na din sila sa Manila. Sana same yung lasa. Yeah, try it. Kanin Baboy is really good. So, ibang take nila dun sa lechon and sinigang. Would you recommend it?
Yeah. It's a different mixture of everything. Sarap. I would suggest na good for sharing and special.
So that's about it. Our first review here in Siargao. Basically, hindi siya review eh. We are encouraging you to eat here kasi na-try na namin siya ilang beses. See you here!